Today is Tuesday, the 13th, and your girl just in here doing her manifestations. Well, I'm trying to do it in a different way, so I'm trying to say it as if I already have it. So that's the way I've been trying to manifest. So okay, I'm gonna read one to y'all. I am already shipping orders at the post office and my business grew a lot. I am so thankful for that. I am so happy I work from home full time and get to pack Odyssey J Beauty orders and create content. I am so grateful that my full source of income is from my business. Your girl wants to be a full-time entrepreneur. If anybody hasn't, figured that out by now, I am an entrepreneur. I really want to be a full-time entrepreneur. I always say this, I want to work for myself. I want to work from home. And I know one day that's going to be a full-time job. And I'm so grateful that I already have that. Today is a brand new day and your girl got an order. So we're about to pack it. And this order is going to my cousin for his girlfriend. So that's so cute. He got her some glosses. So I'm about to show y'all what he got. Slim. He got Booked. And he got Sanity.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is never thin. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is never thin. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you.
Hey y'all. So it's like, I think it's like a few weeks later. I forgot to come in this vlog, but I just didn't want to end it after me making that smoothie. So your girl got a package, so I'm about to open the package with y'all and then I'm in the vlog. This mostly like, I think my birthday stuff, because y'all know my birthday is October 25th and today is October 1st. So yeah. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga munch. I got this graphic tee. I have a whole outfit playing with this and I hope that when I put it together it comes to life. I got this in a size small because it's kind of oversized. Okay, this is the next thing I got. This kind of look big. White. I wouldn't call this, I don't know what you would call this, like maybe a crop top. And I got this in a size medium. Just a simple plain white crop top. I got this for my friend for her baby. It was her birthday and I didn't get a chance to make it, so I ordered her a onesie. But yeah, I got her a little Halloween onesie. I got this bodysuit. She crispy too. I got this in a size small too. This is just like a staple piece that you need in your closet. I got me a little Halloween case. I thought this was black all the way around. So the next thing that I got was a regular bodysuit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, regular white bodysuit. Oh. Okay, I got another white shirt. I don't know what my thing was with white. This time this one has short sleeve. It gives what it needs to give, you know? It could go with many of outfits. I got this shirt. This is basically the same thing. It's just the white version. I love these shirts because I love like the sleeve and it comes down right there. So I just showed y'all those other two. This is the same one, but this one giving a little bit more different material. It's giving spandex. But yeah, this is just the same one in black, size medium. Cute. My thing is, I'm literally obsessed with like basic clothes. Like I literally have a brand that focuses on basics, like basic jumpsuits, basic t-shirts, and I don't know what it is. I just like basics a lot. I like to wear them. And you compare them with anything for real. I said I ain't get nothing brown, but you know that's a lie. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with anything brown, so I always get something brown. There's never a time that I'm not gonna get nothing in the color brown. Like if it's available, I'm getting brown. This is, you know what I'm saying, it's just like a nude case. I thought it was more dark brown than this, but she does what she needs to do. I'm about to put this on right now because it's giving like classy, calm fall vibes, and I like that. So yeah, I got this little case. One thing about me, I'm not really a fan of like the small purses. Like as y'all can tell, I like big purses. Like you see that brown one over there? I like tote bags. Like anything that's big and it's a purse, I like it. Like I'm not really a fan of the small ones, but I don't hate them. Now the mini ones, I don't like the mini purses. But this is like, you know what I'm saying? This is the smallest I would go when it comes to that. And I think she's cute and like just really I don't know, you need a white purse in your collection, I guess I would say. So I just got one just to add it to it. And yeah, she does what she needs to do. I mean, she cute, you know? I'm gonna give y'all a haul and I'm gonna try it all on in my next video. But I just wanted to come say bye and end the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It was kind of all over the place, but it's whatever. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Happy fall, y'all. Your girl is too excited today. I'm having a great day. I hope you're having one too.